Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Ramsha and I make videos on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I can say with a certain level of certainty that you all have a place in your room where you just keep piling stuff, miscellaneous things that you don't want to find a home for at that moment. For me, that spot is my closet floor. As you will see, it is a cluster of miscellaneous things. Okay, so let's begin with this side of the closet. As you can see, there is something missing from the closet door, and the missing piece is a wall hanging that hung a couple of my bags. And this command strip did a tremendous job in keeping the wall hanging attached to this door. I just need to reattach it again. Down here, I have a bag filled with summer clothes that I'm going to go through. And right beside it, I have more bags, and that is the wall hanging that I need to reattach. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take all of these jumpers off these hangers because I need these hangers to hang my summer clothes. So I just took off all my sweaters and sweatshirts, and now I'm going to go down here and take out my summer clothes. And yeah, I know guys, it's August and summer is about to end, but this summer we mostly stayed at home, and when we went out I didn't find a need to wear summer clothes. I was okay wearing sweaters like this until now, so this is why I'm taking out my summer clothes. So what I'm going to do is actually declutter a little bit too. So I'm going to take out clothes that I'm not going to wear, clothes that I will wear at home, because I am looking for loungewear, not sleeping suit, loungewear clothes, and I can't find a brand that is dedicated to making at home loungewear clothes. So if you know any brand, please comment down below. I know that in this I actually have clothes that are suitable to wear at home, so I'm going to make a pile of clothes that I don't need, clothes that is appropriate for summer, and clothes that can be worn as loungewear or just at home clothes basically. Actually folded properly. It's just recently I dug into it to find a pair of pants that I wanted to use for a video, which is why this is how everything looks. Sometimes you find things that you didn't know you had, like this jumpsuit. I didn't know that I actually kept it. Okay, so I just finished hanging a bunch of my summer clothes. So one thing is that I don't like to pile up clothes on one hanger. It looks very bulky and it doesn't look nice. But this time around, I'm not really going for aesthetic. As you can see, I'm going more for functionality. So hence I decided to pile up all the t-shirts, almost all the t-shirts on one hanger. There is an order to everything. So I have business wear, and then I have button-ups. Then I have t-shirts and sweaters and dresses and cardigans. Let me just show you guys what's happening on the ground here. So I found a bunch of clothes that I could wear at home, and I'm most likely going to place them in this storage space. This is where I placed all of my loungewear and any of the clothes that I wear at home. And then I neatly folded all of my sweaters and sweatshirts, and this is a pile of clothes that I need to try out and see whether I want to keep them or not. Okay, so time to dig into these two bags. So these two bags are filled with the Zara clothing haul that I did on this channel. I will link the video somewhere on the screen. So most of these clothes are winter clothes, so I'm going to place them in that bag with the rest of the sweaters and the sweatshirts. Now just placing all the clothes that I'm going to wear at home in this place. It's very convenient. I don't need to open my closet. I can just pull this drawer out and pick whatever I need to wear for the day. And this is from Ikea. If I find it online, I will link it down below. So all my t-shirts over here and all the jackets are going to be at the back. And besides the t-shirts, I'm going to put pants that I could wear at home. Most of these clothes are not my style, that's why I'm going to just wear them at home and get rid of them that way. I'm still in the process of making my wardrobe reflect my style. It's not there yet, but it's getting there gradually. So I found a bunch of more summer clothes that I need to find hangers for. Those are all the things that need to be hung, plus the wall hanging. And that bag has a wallet that my sister gave me for my birthday, so that needs to go in another place. And then I found a bunch of brand new socks that will go all the way up there in one of those green boxes. This one. This needs to go in the basement. I need to find a place for the curler, and these are a bunch of more summer clothes that I need to find hangers for. Almost there, guys, almost there. The wall hanging is up, and this is how it looks. There's a bag missing from here because it's really heavy and I need to empty it, clean it out. So in my closet, so these are the summer clothes that I've added, and I added some maxi dresses and long cardigans on this side of the closet. And then the ground is cleaned. So yeah, I have like a travel bag here, traditional Pakistani bag that was gifted to me, and then 2 school bags at the back. So with that, I will see you guys in my next video.